Code diggers, a branch of ARSSITE. Code digger helps to reduce complexity of code and generate new idea for algorithm. Hello boss, so today's topic is Fibonacci series. First let's see what is Fibonacci series. A series of numbers in which each number, Fibonacci number, is the sum of the two preceding numbers. The simplest is the series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, etc. For example, you can see this, here number is come after addition of previous two numbers start from 0 and 1. I hope you are clear with Fibonacci series, so let's start coding.
It sound right, boys.
Explanation of code, initially taking variable, for variables, user, x, y, z. User for taking input from user. X, y, z for variables for swapping and for storing values. Now taking while loop for propagation, it start with default 0, 1, at first it run until x is less or equal to user input, then using swapping of values. Move ahead, let's see some outputs. Code diggers, a branch of ARSSITE, dig code dig big, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any